Hey there. Um, it is nice. It's not a good day. All those news and all those blah blah blahs about it. I just want to tell this. It's another short video, and this type of weather reflects on how I don't like mainstream media use their narratives on the left, because this is not. I don't like how they do that. It's like how do mainstream media uses their politics to back people to join the force, join the dark, join those bad things and make it worse. That's how I felt about it. And there's something I felt about it in pop culture is how bad things can they get from from long running franchises like Star Wars and Doctor Who and Star Trek. It got ruined by just by using politics instead of stuff like important or scientific or historic things. Not just using a political agenda for some brownies, and I can't. And things happen in the real world when MSN reporters shows up on a protest and gets and tells them, and those protesters who doesn't protest and finally said get the fuck out. Now, I did not grow up with this. A lot of times it's sometimes in the last 5 years, first off, I was about worried about the 2016 election, and then COVID-19 hit. I just felt, as a fatigue, I started to hate. I don't hate a lot of liberals, but I started to dislike or pretty critically distant from the way hard left liberals. And still don't go to the far right, the far right conservatives. That's another story, or I won't say that. I just want to use common sense. Probably doing the center left to center right, and then not just be too political and or too fundamentally challenging. It all seems. And so say, see you next time. Bye bye.